Hello students, I am Jigyasha Prajapati from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Today we are discussing class 4th Computer Science Chapter 1 Evolution of Computers. So all you have to open page number 7 in your computer science book. In this chapter we will discuss these topics: early age calculating devices, modern age computers. Students, do you know computer is a result of very long development of the technology. In early ages people use stones, fingers to count small numbers, but to calculate a large number we have to use some calculated device. So let us start with early age calculating devices. Okay. So our first device is abacus. It was the first calculating device invented by the Chinese about 5000 years ago. It is mainly used for small calculation, or we can say simple calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Our next device is Pascaline. It was the first mechanical calculator invented by Blaise Pascal in 1642. That device is only used for addition and subtraction. That's why it is also known as Pascal's addition machine. Our next device is Leibniz's calculator. It was also a mechanical machine invented by Leibniz. It mainly used to perform multiplication and division function, but it can also perform addition and subtraction. Our next device is Jacquard loom. It was invented by Joseph Marie Jacquard in 1801. It was the first machine in which the concept of punch cards was used. The punch card is mainly used for store the sequence of operations. Our next device is difference engine. It was developed by Charles Babbage. The Charles Babbage is also known as the father of computer. In 1823, it could solve complex calculations of mathematics. So it is mainly designed to solve the complex calculation of the mathematics. Next, Charles Babbage again designed the analytical engine. In 1834, Charles Babbage made the analytical engine, which is the improved version of the difference engine that he already developed. One more thing, the analytical engine is based on the input, process and output concept. Our next device is Mark I. It was the first electromechanical computer. It was conceived by Howard Aiken. It was designed and built by the IBM, that is the organization who developed the computers, in 1944. Our next calculating device is ENIAC. It stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, which is invented by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert. It was the first general purpose electronic digital computer. ENIAC is the 1000 times faster than Mark I. Our next calculating device is UNIVAC. It stands for Universal Automatic Computer, that is invented by again John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert. It was the first general purpose computer for the commercial use. Next, our modern computer that we are using in our daily life. We have three types of modern computer. First is desktop computer. This computer is placed on the desk or table in the schools, at homes, in offices. It is also known as personal computer, so you can also say it PC. Next we have laptop. It is a small size computer which has a battery that can be recharged by the electricity. As it is small in size, so you can carry it with yourself very easily. Next we have handheld computers. They are very small computers that can be held in one's hand. These are also called palm tops, tablets, pocket computers. Okay? So, you can also carry it very easily with yourself. So, this is all about our chapter. Now, we have to start the book exercise. Fill in the blanks. You have to fill in the blanks with these options. The first fill up is the abacus was invented by the Chinese about dash years ago. How much years ago? It is 5000 years ago. Next, Blaise Pascal invented dash in 1642. Which device has invented by the Blaise Pascal? It is the Pascaline. Next we have dash was invented by the Joseph Marie Jacquard. Which device is developed by Marie Jacquard? That is Jacquard loom. As its name suggests, the device is invented by his Jacquard loom. Next, in dash, information is present in the form of holes. In which device the information is stored in the form of holes? The answer is punch cards. Next we have match the following columns. We have column A and column B and you have to choose the correct one option. First, a rectangular box with 8 movable wheels is known as Pascaline. Next, 1000 times faster than Mark 1. Which calculating device is 1000 times faster than Mark 1? We have discussed already. It is ENIAC. Next, analytical engine. Analytical engine is developed by Charles Babbage. Next we have first electronic computer for the commercial use. Which device is used for the commercial use first time? That is UNIVAC. Next we have write T for the true and F, that is capital F, for the false statements. So, our first statement is abacus was the first calculating device. We all know abacus was the first calculating device. So, it is true. So, you have to write here capital T. Next, we have Pascaline could perform multiplication and division operation. We know Pascaline is also known as Pascal's addition machine because it can only perform the addition and subtraction. So, this statement is false. So, you have to write here capital F. Next, we have Pascaline is also known as Pascal's multiplying machine. No, it is not the Pascal's multiplying machine. It is Pascal's addition machine. So, it is also false. So, you have to again write here capital F. Last we have Charles Babbage developed the Jacquard loom. No, because Charles Babbage developed the analytical engine and the difference engine. So, it is again false. We have to write here capital F. Next we have pick the correct one. In this question you have to choose the correct one option. Our first question is which of the following is not an example of handheld computer? Options are desktop. Desktop is not the handheld computer because you can't hold the desktop in your hand. Next we have smartphone. Smartphone is the handheld computer. You can hold your smartphone in your hand. Tablet also a handheld computer. So, your correct option is desktop. So, take the mark here. Next we have the first calculating device was. Which is the first calculating device? Abacus. Yes, abacus was the first calculating device. Next, Pascaline. No, it is not the first calculating device. Napier bonds. It is again not the first. So, your answer is abacus. So, you have to write here. Next, we have the first electronic computer is. Which is the first electronic computer? Options are UNIVAC. No, UNIVAC is not the first electronic computer. Next, we have ENIAC. Yes, ENIAC is the first electronic computer as we have discussed already. And the last option is Mark 1. So, your correct option is ENIAC. So, put the Right tick here. Next, the UNIVAC was developed by, the options are John Mauchly and Eckert, Charles Babbage and John Napier. We all know UNIVAC was developed by John Mauchly and Eckert, as we have already discussed in the chapter. So, this is all about our chapter 1 of computer science. Thank you. Have a nice day.